Reports just reaching us indicate that following the distribution of the 500 million naira flood relief fund to flood victims around the state, protests have erupted at the Jambutu Damilu wards, with victims accusing government officials of short-charging them. Our news crew arrived at the scene just as the flood victims were ending their protests. The victims alleged that the Commissioner of Environment commenced the distribution, with each of them getting 3,000 naira, but that immediately she left, the officials reduced the amount to 1,000 naira. They expressed their bitterness to the authorities.
Actually, in the presence of the commissioner, they started giving 3,000 naira.
Exactly. Thank you very much.
But after they after the commissioner left, they began to give 1,000 naira to each person, which is wrong.
Exactly.
And this is our sincere report from Jambutu ward. Then number 2, the Meangwas, who we also call Meangwas, they are not giving us the right thing. I'm giving this thing from the right bottom of my heart. The Meangwas are not defending us as we are. Yes, sir.
In the presence of the commissioner, they start giving 3,000 naira.
3,000 naira?
Yes,
sir.
But when she went, they start giving
1,000.
They say that tomorrow in the morning they are
2,000 again.
going to come and complete it.
And actually, the Meangwa people, they bring other lists different. They begin to call, and when they call, they will say, Bello, Musa, they will
pointing hand, you come. Different people.
Yeah,
yes.
different people.
That's exactly
we
what
see
happened.
even there are some people that collected 2 or 3. One person can collect 2.
Okay.
So that's our challenge to the actually what is happening now.